most Minnesota families I work with are carrying half the life insurance they actually need. They think a quarter million or half million in coverage is enough. It isn't. And the math to figure out what you really need is simpler than you think. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much term life insurance your family needs, what it costs in Minnesota if you're under 40, and the one timing mistake that costs families tens of thousands of dollars. No calculator required. Real quick on the two types, term life insurance is straightforward. You pick a term, 10, 20, or 30 years, and if you die during that time, your family gets the death benefit. No cash value, no bells and whistles. It's the cheapest way to replace your income if something happens to you young. Permanent life, whole life, universal life, that costs 5 to 15 times more per month for the same death benefit. For a young family with a mortgage and kids, term is almost always the right place to start. Here's how to figure out your number. Start with income replacement. Most advisors target 10 to 12 years of your gross income. If you make 80 grand a year, that's 800 to 960,000 in coverage. Then add your mortgage balance. Your spouse shouldn't have to sell the house. If you've got kids and both of you work, factor in childcare costs. That's real money your family needs. And don't forget any significant debt outside the mortgage. Then subtract what you've actually got saved. In my agency, I see a couple making 150 grand combined with a $320,000 mortgage, two kids, and 60 grand in savings. Each person needs about 800 to 900,000. Most couples in that situation are carrying 250 to 500,000 and thinking they're covered. They're not. Let's talk price. A 28-year-old in Minnesota, healthy, non-smoker, looking at a 20-year term for $500,000, you're looking at about $22 a month. Same person, $1 million coverage, about $35 a month. Fast forward to 33. That's 26 a month for the 500K, 42 for the million. At 38, you're at 35 and 58. Every year you wait, the monthly cost goes up. A 33-year-old buying a 30-year term locks that rate in until age 63. That's the math that matters. The one mistake that costs families the most isn't buying too little coverage. It's waiting until you get a diagnosis, start a new medication, gain some weight, or something changes medically. Because life insurance is health underwriting. What you qualify for at 34 might not be available at 39, or it costs triple. The best time to buy is when you don't feel like you urgently need it. That's when your rates are lowest and you actually qualify. If you want to run the numbers for your specific family situation, link in the description takes you straight to my agency site where you can get a quote. We're licensed in Minnesota, Illinois, Ohio, Wisconsin, Iowa, Missouri, and several other states. Takes about 3 minutes, no pressure, no sales pitch, just the right amount of coverage